to change Africa into our own.
When uzotshela thina ukuthi you are here to liberate Africa. Which Africa? Bab Zuma. You were enjoying like the rest of them the luxuries of being a president. Because you're saying that if Abad Bemnyama was still in charge, we would not be staying La Poskala Court. As if you were not a president. When you became President Bab Zuma, you went to England, to UK, during the Tamiaga Queen. When you fired him, Umalema, one of the things that he raised in criticizing you that time was that you became exactly like your predecessors. You went directly to the Queen and went to the Queen Gutabuko Zokshinch.